This fresh air is healing me. I am renewed by time spent. I am renewed by time spent outside. I am one with nature, and it is one with me. I belong here. I can feel my spirit. I can feel my spirit being recharged by this sacred time outdoors. Time outdoors. The richness of nature surrounds me. With my feet touching earth, I am grounded and supported. The sun on my face warms me and gives me strength. I am filled with wonder by nature's designs. I am in awe. I am filled with wonder by nature's designs. I am in awe, standing before creation. I am in awe, standing before creation. The sounds of nature fill my heart and bring me peace. Today, I connect with all the beings around me,